What's good, everybody? It's just hellcat back with another video with Scamcat. So on today's video, we are going to be doing a trans swap. So fourth gear has been giving me a little issue. I kind of know why it would happen, but we'll get into that later. So fourth gear is going out. I need to swap it. So I have my spare trans that we're gonna swap it with, and I also have something in the mail coming in. So I'm trying to get everything kind of out and done before it gets here, but see how that goes because I'm kind of lagging on it. But yeah, I'm trying to get that done before it gets here, so this way you can just throw it together, put it back, and kind of just do a little revision on the tune, and that would be it. So let's get into it. Well, that was unexpected. Showed up a day early. Can't be mad at it. But all the way from RSP. Shout out to James. So I'll open it up and see what it looks like. Doesn't look nothing special. It's heavy. So this one is specifically for the turbo application. So it's got rated for like a 4,000 stall. So see the give or take between the motor and everything, and how much power it puts out and torque. It rates on what it actually stops at. So, but this is the torque converter I needed. The stock stall, it only goes to like 2,000 RPM, and it does not build little to no boost at all. So I needed this to get boost out the hole and be able to dig race. So it wasn't really necessarily made for a dig car, but we're gonna switch it up. So should be able to do both still. Good enough for digs and should be good for rolls. So we will try it. Gotta fill the converter because it comes completely dry and nothing in it. So just using the regular Mopar trans load. So it kind of stopped bubbling. I did see this hack on Instagram, and see if it works. Oh, it worked. This is a guy that was filling a converter. He was installing it into a car. So at the top. Drop it down. Good. It worked. Alright, shout out to dude. Alright, so turbos are out. Slides. Then we take out the drive shaft. And then after that, start taking the lines off. Make sure all the harness stuff's out the way. Put the harness plug off already. So just make sure everything's out. Take the starter off. I already unplugged the battery, so this way it doesn't arc if I take it off. And then pull the converter, little plate and then get to the bolts and then start taking all the bolts off the trans so it can come down. Alright, so drive shaft is out. It was not the easiest. Always gives a problem. Everything's out on this side. I just gotta spin the flex plate to get the bolts to come out. Take the trans lines off. And I think that's about it. Start taking the bolts off around the trans and should be ready to drop. We'll see. So everything's pretty much out. All the bolts are off, starter's off. I just got this bolt, and these two for the brace. And that's pretty much it. Just gonna pop the trans lines off. And that's about it. Should be dropping out. And that is how you do a trans swap on a hellcat by yourself. All right, so now I just gotta take the trans mount off, take the little brackets off. Should be just about it. And then I just wrote bad fourth gear on it, so I know. That's gonna stay in there. And you just gotta put the new torque converter into the trans and then put everything back in. Converters in. Now let's put it back into the car. So trans is all back together with the torque converter. Everything's all bolted down. Torque converter's torqued down. Trans line's back on. I just gotta do drive shaft, torque those bolts down, and then put the turbos back. It should be just about it. And I just gotta do an oil change. So, almost done. all back together. Just an oil change now. If you drain your oil cooler. All right, as you've seen, we went for a test drive. Went really good. Converter made a huge difference on it. So now I'm just putting my full down pipes because the down's just way too much. I mean, I wouldn't mind it, but you know, just where I stay, they will not allow it. So I'm gonna put the dumps back or the full exhaust back on just to calm it down, tame it a little better. And the boost controller likes it a little better, so that's a plus too. So we're gonna do that. All right, so it's been about a couple months, I want to say. So after that video, I didn't really get much because I went and drove it. I ended up going to a meet. After that meet, I ended up driving home, and one of the other turbos had failed and broke, so that set me back. Then I had to grab another two. So then I grabbed two more bigger turbos, and yeah, if you follow me on Instagram and stuff, you'll see that. Grab bigger turbos, and now it's where it's at right now. Still runs everything, and just don't drive it. So, but I just needed a little closeout video, so here it is. Follow for the next one.